Chris here, Open Rotor Channel, and I got me a battery charger and maintainer. So I picked up this BC battery controller brand, battery charger and maintainer. It's made in Italy. Picked it up here locally from one of my local shops, little neighborhood shop that I visit. This is the BC Junior. So it's 220 volt in, 12 volt out. And you can see that it's got alligator clips on it, 220 volt plug. But it also comes with a plug that attaches right to your battery. So you screw these right onto the battery terminals. It's got a nice fuse right there for protection. And that plugs into your battery charger. Seems like a nifty kit. Price was real reasonable. Pretty happy about that. Just unplug the alligator clips. Take off the dust cover. And you just plug the battery charger right into the bike whenever you're got the thing sitting. Of course, those go right on the battery terminals. All right, let's go install this on the bike. So the first thing we got to do is take the seat off. It's got a rubber grommet in the front. Got to be careful when you take this off. Get your fingers underneath there so you don't tear the grommet. These Scouts are notorious for that. Look for my video on how to replace that grommet. Once the seat's off, you have access to where the battery is. You have to move the fuse block first to get that out of the way. It's just got a little clip that holds it in place, and it slides right out. Once that's out, you have access to the terminals. Once the wires are attached to the terminals, I routed it to the left side of the bike, out from underneath the seat. This will give me access to it when the seat's on, and then I can just plug it in when I need to. Here it is with the seat on, and you can see where the wire is sticking out. You just remove the dust cover and plug the battery charger in. It's that simple. When you're done, remove it, and always make sure you put your dust cover back on. Nice.